What's up, you guys? It's your girl TymarrahGi, and today we are getting into this cute hairstyle with Kisslove hair. Now, I'm just showing you guys everything that came inside of the package. Now, you guys see that we are working with this ash blonde hair. The hair came already toned, so you don't have to worry about that 613, that harsh 613 look. They already have it toned for you. Now, today we are working with the FRONTAL glue, and I just like to layer it on just so it can be, do what it got to do. But y'all already know what the FRONTAL lace glue does. But this is a 13 by 4, 28-inch frontal. And we're just getting into it, y'all. I'm just making sure that I have it secure, because when I am doing like hairstyles, I do want to make sure that my lace is very secure, so that when I am plucking or doing anything else that I have to do extra, I don't have to worry about the lace lifting up after it's already laid down. Now, to blend the lace in a little bit more, I took my Ebin lace tint mousse. I know you guys really couldn't really see it because the camera wasn't focused, but this is the lace tint mousse by Ebin, and I tried something different this time, putting it on a beauty blender and just getting it all around the perimeter of my hair where that lace is, and that actually works really good. So if you guys ever want to try that, it does work really good. I recommend it for just like hair this color. Any other color, you probably wouldn't have to do that like that, but in this case, it really gave what it needs to get. Like, it blended the lace in so well, because after I took that elastic band off, you guys can see how it looks right now. It was blending way better than how it was before. So you guys already see what the style looked like from the thumbnail. So just to get the style going, I went ahead and took out the front pieces first for the bang, and then I braided that up and pinned that up, and then we went ahead and started the baby hairs. Now, I did not pluck this unit beforehand, so I did have some plucking that I needed to do so that it can give like, what I wanted it to give. And I did take a little bit of makeup just to like to define the part, so I can kind of see like where I'm going with this style. Now, I was kind of nervous for the style because I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to really pull it off for real. So I was really just going off vibes right here, y'all. And I was just trying to make sure that I was doing my best. But I did know the first thing I had to do was, get these baby hairs right and get like the perimeter of the hair right. So I mean, some people would say that this is like plucked enough, but I knew that I needed to pluck a lot, being that I was taking out like the certain amount of baby hairs that I was taking out. So now I'm just going in and curling those baby hairs, and then I'm going in with my ORS Wig Grip Gel. The gel that I always use for my baby hairs, I use them for all of my installs for my baby hairs, and I'm just going ahead and getting the baby hairs as good as I can get them, y'all. And when I am working with 613 baby hairs, I really like to make them look very, very fluffy. But for this unit, I was like kind of scared. I was kind of scared. So I wanted them to just slick all the way down and just be out the way and not give fluffy no nothing, because I was really trying my best with this hairstyle and I really, really wanted it to come out cute. I feel like I could have did a little bit better on the baby hairs, but it still really gave what it needed to give after I like laid them down and stuff after a while a little bit. But as I kept going, I liked it more, but initially I really didn't like the baby hairs and stuff, really, because I was just trying to make everything blend. And then kind of from the lace tint mousse, it kind of like made it like a different type of color, but I really wasn't stressing it like that. So as you guys can see, I have two braids on both sides. So first you just start like a regular braid, and I just braided all the way down and put a rubber band on both sides, and then went ahead and start teasing it out, as you guys are about to see now. If you guys don't know how to do like the butterfly braids, I don't know how to do those braids. I just know how to do regular braids. So I was like, let me just take this regular braid and fluff it all the way out to give that big dramatic little like braid style. And that's what we got, and that's how it turned out the way it turned out. And I just like to go ahead and spray with a little bit of holding spray just to ensure that it stayed in place. Now, I don't know if that really helped, but I just know when in doubt, I always spray my holding spray. But the braid was definitely giving what I needed to give, so I just went ahead and did it on the other side. So before I went ahead and just like put the two braids back, I wanted to go ahead and just get the crimps out the way. So I wanted to do some crimps on the hair. Now this hair was like already like a body wave texture, so I already have a good wave to it. So I just wanted to add to the wave. I didn't want that like uniform crimp look. I just wanted it to be more of waves. So you guys see me just crimping my hair in different sections just so I can get that wave look. And you guys, all I really did was I just tied them both together with like a rubber band. I kind of did it off camera because I think my camera had turned off or it was overheated or something. But all I did was put like a rubber band, just tied like in a ponytail to the back. Nothing too major. Just went ahead and put it to the back, and that's how you got that little braid type look. I feel like that looked really cute. So now we're just taking out the braid in the front and just getting our little cute little bangs together. All I did was really just crimp the bangs, but I did cut them a little shorter. And this is the final look for this hairstyle, you guys. I love the length of this hair, the color, everything. Like, I really love the hairstyle that I did because I feel like I brought out like the hair and the color and everything. I feel like this was the perfect style. And this length was like the perfect length. Like, it was long, but it wasn't like too long, and it was just giving, y'all. I loved it so much. So if you guys want all the information for this hair, make sure you guys check that link in the description box down below and shop Kisslove hair because I really love this hair so much. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll be back with more videos soon. Stay blessed. Yeah, babies, we out.